Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best hummingbird feeders out there, the Aspect's HummZinger HummBlossom in Rose. This is hands down the best rose-colored feeder you can get for attracting hummingbirds, and if you're a bird enthusiast, you won't want to miss this review. The Aspect's HummZinger HummBlossom is designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Its bright rose color not only adds a pop of color to your garden but is also designed to attract hummingbirds effectively. The compact design has a 4-ounce nectar capacity, which is perfect for small to medium-sized feeding needs. And it offers plenty of perching space for these beautiful creatures to rest while they feed. What makes this feeder stand out is the high-view perch. The perch is positioned perfectly to offer an unobstructed view of the birds while they're feeding, which means you can enjoy watching them up close, without any interference. It's the perfect size to group together with other feeders, especially if you're looking to create a hummingbird-friendly garden or attract more of these fascinating birds. Made from durable polycarbonate, this feeder is built to withstand the elements. It's leak-proof, rain-resistant, and designed to be easy to clean. The 3 raised feeding ports ensure the nectar stays in place, while the high-quality material ensures that the feeder will last for many seasons. This is a feeder that's easy to maintain. It's dishwasher safe and incredibly simple to refill. Plus, it comes with a hanger that allows you to either hang it or mount it on a post, depending on your preference. Another fantastic feature is the leak-proof design. The raised feeding ports are specifically engineered to divert rain, preventing any nectar from spilling or dripping, which can be a common issue with many other feeders. This thoughtful feature ensures that your feeder stays neat and clean, and it reduces the mess that often comes with feeding wild birds. The Aspect's HummZinger HummBlossom is a solid investment for anyone looking to enjoy the beauty of hummingbirds right in their backyard. Its durable construction, easy-to-clean design, and bird-friendly features make it an excellent choice for any birdwatching enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned bird lover or just starting out, this feeder is sure to enhance your outdoor space and provide hours of enjoyment as you watch hummingbirds flutter by. Thanks for tuning into this review of the Aspect's HummZinger HummBlossom in Rose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest product reviews. We'll see you in the next video.